These blue.
Nice.
Take these because I'm going to rip up some more as well.
So you, like, go
I'm
for
going to rip
it.
up some for everybody.
So for the weaving,
Yeah. Because like otherwise the.
So everybody come over here for a second. I'm going to do it on your girl's head so everybody can see it. So, with our first section of weaving, you can do whatever side you want. Make sure you get all the flimsy bits of hair out of the way. So, this is what I'm seeing, the drag that you see down there, you're going to touch that with bleach. So you're going to get a bleach blob on that hair. Twist it, tie it. That's also these clips, so you need to get better. So these crocodile clips are perfect, but they're perfect for some things, not for everything.
I think I have another one of those other things. No.
That's what, actually, you know what I can do? I can do this.
The long one.
So the crocodile clips are not the best in a sense. So go through, twist it, flip it, get out of the way. Still dragging, but go through. See how I'm standing with my feet as well?
Yeah.
Like I'm literally, I push my back in like that. So that's better position than doing this. Okay, so by doing that, you're hurting your back. So when you're colouring, standing back, keeping your